I made a compression thing that uses a treadmill motor, car AC compressor, and basically the rest of a treadmill. And I'm planning on using it for an air conditioner, but let's cue the intro. We got a compressor to a car. This is for the clutch, this and this. Here's the belt. This is to the treadmill for the winch. Sadly, we had to remove that part, although we could easily put it back on. But here is the treadmill motor, and it's basically gonna belt drive this. Hopefully it has enough torque and we can tension it enough. But I'm planning to use this compressor with R134A, and that we can get at Walmart or some other place. So here's a car AC compressor, treadmill motor. Finally got it set up. I forgot, the clutch is connected to the battery. I'll have to charge it after because it consumes a lot of power. And I'll show you. You need to lubricate it, but otherwise it works pretty well. Bye.